आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सॉल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question we have is, during the decomposition of H2O2 to give oxygen, 48 gram oxygen is formed per minute at a certain point of time. The rate of formation of water at this point is. So in this question what we have to do, we have to find out the rate of formation of water, okay, and we are given with the decomposition of this H2O2. Okay, so first we will write down the reaction for the decomposition of H2O2. Okay, so the reaction we have in its decomposition is H2O2. Okay, so basically it is decomposed into water, that is H2O, and along with this oxygen is formed. Okay, and on balancing it, here we get 2 moles, okay, and here we get 2 moles of water. So now this is balanced. Okay, and another thing, we have to find out the rate of formation of this water. Okay, and in writing down the rate, okay, we know that the rate, okay, it is basically equals to the disappearance of starting material or the appearance of the product. So that means this rate, okay, it is equals to minus 1 divided by 2 disappearance of H2O2 with respect to time. Okay, so basically 1 to 2 points to remember here. Here this negative sign shows that, okay, in the reaction the product concentration decreases with time, so that's why here we have this negative symbol, and this 1 divided by 2, okay, so basically this 2, it is the coefficient of this H2O2, so that's why it is written in division. So this is the general formula, that is negative 1 divided by A, that is the coefficient of this reactant. For example, it is A and it is D, A divided by dt. Okay, so just this is the general representation, and according to this decomposition we have this formula. Okay, and it is further equals to the appearance of the products. Okay, so in the product side we have water and oxygen, that is it is equals to 1 divided by coefficient of water, that is 2, and here we have H2O with respect to time, that is dt. Okay, so here it is coefficient of H2O, and here we have positive sign because here is the appearance of the products, and it is further equals to DO2 with respect to time, that is dt. Here we have coefficient 1 because in this case we have one coefficient for this oxygen. Okay, so basically this is the representation for this rate, and in the question we are given that the rate of formation of this oxygen per minute, it is equals to 48 gram. Okay, so if we write down here, that is rate of formation, or we can say that appearance of oxygen, that is dH2O further divided by dt. Okay, so it is equals to, we have to find out, and it is given that rate of this DO2 and dt. Okay, so it is given as 48 gram per minute. Okay, and basically it is further equals to 48 divided by 32. Okay, that is its molecular mass, moles per minute. Okay, so this on multiplying we get 1.5 mole per minute. Okay, so this is the formation for this oxygen, and we have to find out for that water. So from the rate reaction we can write it down as rate, okay, which is further equals to 1 divided by 2 dH2O dt. Okay, and it is equals to rate of oxygen. Okay, so here we have calculate rate of oxygen is equals to 1.5 mole per minute. Okay, now further on solving, we get dH2O divided by dt. Okay, it is equals to 1.5. Here we have this in division, and going here it get multiplied 2 mole per minute. So that means the final answer we have is 3 moles per minute. That is, this is the formation of this water, and from the options, the correct option we have is option number D, and this is the answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।